Alright, the relationship between the coefficients is given by the bigger coefficient over the one smaller, n minus k plus 1 on k times b minus a. Now I'll do the proof of that, but it just wants to know what's the ratio the 6 to the 5th, how much are we multiplying it by? And this proof will come from having a look at the choose and where we get actually the coefficient from. I'll just do the example. It says find the nth plus 1 ratio over the nth, and it's r minus k plus 1. I think I better check the formula. N minus k plus 1 on k times b on a. Now n is 12. K we don't know, but b is 2 and a is 3. So it's 13 times 2, which is 26 minus 2k on 3k. Just going to do example 9 as well while I'm here. It says find the constant term. Now, with the constant term, x is to the power of 0. So I want 9 choose n, where 2 on x to the minus n times by minus 3x squared to the n. That's my general term, but I want minus 1 from this power, 9 minus n, plus, because I'm adding indices, 2n to equal 0. So I've got minus 9 plus n plus 2n equals 0. N is 3. So the constant term is 9 choose 3, 2 on x to the 6, minus 3x squared to the 3, which I'll just come back to my solutions. I get minus 145,152, minus 145,152. The greatest coefficient. Okay, finding the greatest coefficient. I want the term before it to be smaller than the term after it. So I need to use my ratio of the terms formula, and I need to say, so I've subbed into that formula, which is at the beginning of this video, and I can say that 3 minus 9k has to be bigger than 4k, because if the top is, oh, that didn't work, that was bad. If the top was, if the top was the green here and the bottom was the blue, that did not work. Wouldn't I say the top has to be bigger than the bottom? And when I swap that over, that's how come it changes. So I get k, working it down with algebra, you can work it down. I get k is 8, so I want the greatest coefficient, so I sub in 8 into my finding the term. 20 choose 8, 3, I don't need the x because it's only the coefficient, so it's 3 to the 8 minus 4 to the 12, and I get the greatest coefficient.